guys, yeah, here's my short tutorial on how to get the lasso brushes. So first you have to click special right oh my gosh, right here. I click special. Yeah, you see this abomination here. So I click it. I press lasso fill, and yeah, and there you have it. So yeah, I hope that helps it. Let me just try some. What is it? What have I created? So yeah, that's all for it. So yeah, that's basically all. It's just a simple, short tutorial that is very easy to follow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, I hope this helps. So yeah, bye. And if you ever want to reset it, you can just press it again and press the little button. Yeah, bye.